Fine. In this video, we are going to learn the concept of profit loss. Right. See what exactly the profit loss. Right. It is a simple formula which is used to determine the price of a commodity in the market and understand how profitable a business is. Right. See, whatever you are going to do in a business, either you should get a profit or incur a loss. So by using this particular formula, that is profit and loss formula, you can able to gauge whether the business is profitable or not. Every product has a cost price and as well as selling price. So you should know this cost price and as well as selling price. Based on the values of these prices, we can calculate whether we are going to gain the profit or incur a loss on a particular product. Right. So let us check out this. For a shopkeeper, if the value of the selling price is more than the cost price, then he is going to get a profit in that business. Profit. If selling price is less than the cost price, then so that business is going to incur a loss. We should always work with these things to make a profit in any kind of the transaction. Right. Let us take an example. See what exactly the cost price is. The price at which a person buys an article is called cost price. The price at which person buys an article is called as cost price. So cost price formula is very simple. Cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. If he is going to incur a loss, then this is what the formula we need to use. Let us take an example. Mohan sells his watch at a loss of rupees 500 for 1000. Find the cost price and loss percent. We need to find cost price and loss percent. To do that, let us check out it. Here, what they have given in this problem. Mohan is going to sell his watch at a loss of 500. The loss they have given, that is 500 for 1000 rupees. That is nothing but selling price. Selling price is 1000 rupees. We need to find the cost price and as well as loss percent. Right, let us check out. The cost price is equal to selling price plus the loss. Right. Now selling price is how much? That is 1000 plus loss is 500. So cost price become 1500. Now we found the cost price, that is 1500. We need to find the loss percent. So just substitute here. You are going to get the answer. That is, we know cost price. Let us let us check out with this. We know cost price is equal to 100 that divided by 100 minus loss percent. Right, that into selling price. So we need to find this. Let us go with this way. So 100 minus loss price, loss percent is equal to 100 into SP that divided by cost price. Right. So therefore loss price is equal to, loss percent is equal to 100 minus 100 into SP that divided by CP. Correct. Now let us find out loss percent. Here 100 minus 100 into SP. Selling price is how much? That is 1000. And what is cost price is 1500. Let us simplify here. This will become 100 minus, so 2 zeros I will cancel, 5 2s are 5 3s are. This will become 2 by 300. Correct. Now if you simplify it, this will become 100 minus 200 by 3, so which is nothing but 200 by 3. Let us check out here. 200 by 3, 3 6 are, right, 2 reminders, 3 6 are point, again 2 only remainder. This is 66.67 will come, which is nothing but 100 minus 66.67, which is nothing but 33.33. The last percentage is 33.33% here in this problem. Right, let us check out with what exactly the selling price here. To find the selling price, what exactly the selling price? The price at which an article is sold is called as selling price. When you are going to buy an article, so that is going to be called as cost price. When you are going to sell, this is going to be considered as selling price. The selling price is equal to, it is reverse of that is cost price. 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into CP. SP is equal to 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into CP. Now let us check out with this. Ravi buys an article for 5,000 and sells it at a gain 20%, right? Now they gave him cost price, that is 5,000 rupees. They gave a gain percent, correct? Gain percent is 20. We are supposed to find selling price. So selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent, that divided by 100 into cost price. Now this will become 100 plus 20, that divided by 100, that into cost price is how much? That is 5,000. Now let us check out here. 120 by 100 into 5,000, right? Two zeros I will cancel. 120 into 50. 12 5 is 60, add 2 zeros, that is 6,000. The selling price is 6,000 rupees, right? If it is 20% profit and if the cost price is 5,000, we are going to sell it for 6,000. This is called as selling price, right? Then what exactly the profit is? Profit is what the amount gained by a selling product with more than its cost price. If it is selling price is more than cost price, then it is going to be considered as a profit, right? Now let us check out here. Ram buys a pen for 12 and sells it for rupees 15. Find his gain percent. We are supposed to find the gain percent, that is profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit. So here rupees 15 is selling price, rupees 12 is cost price. Now profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is how much? Selling price is 15 and cost price is 12, which is going to be 3 rupees. So profit percent is equal to profit. He is made a profit of 3 rupees and cost price is 12 into 100. 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 ones are 425. The profit percent here is 25%. Right, this is the way you need to calculate. Let us check out with this loss. The amount the seller incurs after selling the product less than its cost price is mentioned as loss. So loss is nothing but if the selling price is less than cost price, then that particular a shop owner or a person is going to incur a loss. Let us check out this. Yash purchased a saree for rupees 2,000 and sells it for 1,500. Find its loss percent. Right, now here what happens? Cost price is 2,000, selling price is 1,500. So that's what loss is equal to how much? Cost price minus selling price, which is going to be 2,000 minus 1,500, which is going to be 500 rupees. Loss is 500. Now we need to find out loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss. How much loss he incurred? That is 500. Cost price is 2,000 into 100. Correct. These two I'll cancel. Right. Next is 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 ones are 4, 25. The last percentage here is also 25%. Last percent is 25% here. Fine. Let us go with this a discount. It's an offer made by the seller to buyer for reduction in price to be paid. Right. Here there is no loss will happen. See, it is a discount is going to give. That is, he is going to reduce the price. Right. Let us check out that. That is called as mark price. SP is equal to mark price into 100 minus rate of discount divided by 100. If you want to find mark price is equal to selling price into 100 divided by 100 minus rate of discount. Let us check out here. A dealer offer 20% discount. The discount he is offering is 20%, and if the selling price of an article is 320, selling price is equal to 320, then what is the mark price? We are supposed to find mark price here. So we know that market price is equal to selling price into 100, that divided by 100 minus rate of discount. Right. Selling price is how much? It is 320 into 100, that divided by 100 minus 20. Correct. Which is going to become 320 into 100, that divided by 80. Right. Now 80, 81s are 84s are, is going to be 400 rupees. The mark price is here is 400. Is offering 20% discount. The selling price will become 320 rupees. Hope you understood. I solved around more than 20-25 problems. So you can go through that and as well as take test so that you can check yourself. Fine. If you have any doubt, please ask me so that I can solve and upload.